Hello, good day friend. Today we'll be seeing Azure Bastion. So what is Azure Bastion? You can connect to Azure private virtual machine in several ways. I have a video, you can check that. One of those is Azure Bastion. The other ways are jump server and then firewall NAT. Okay. So let us see this Azure Bastion. What is Azure Bastion? Azure Bastion lets you connect to a virtual machine using your browser and the Azure portal. You provision Azure Bastion inside your virtual network. It's a fully managed platform as a service. Provides secure and seamless RDP or SSH connectivity. Virtual machines do not need a public IP address, any agent or client software installed. It protects your virtual machines from exposing RDP or SSH ports to the outside world. If you see this picture, here you see these are private virtual machine, and here is the Azure Bastion. There is a requirement that Azure Bastion will be deployed in a Azure Bastion subnet. You need to deploy Azure Bastion subnet. The name should be exactly same in the virtual network, and then the user can be able to connect to private virtual machine via Azure portal and then via Azure Bastion subnet. So you see the communication is happening via TLS. So this is absolutely secure. So let us see this in action. So here I am in Azure portal. I have a virtual machine which is a Linux virtual machine, and to connect to it, you can go to connect, and then you can see there is SSH, RDP and Bastion. So we'll be trying with Bastion. So if you click on Bastion, you see you'll be seeing this page, and then if you click on, you can reach to this page also using here operations Bastion on the left hand side. If you click on that, you will be reaching to the this page, and then here you see the name of the Bastion and the subnet. You have to, I don't have the subnet created, that is why I'm getting this error. Okay, so let's create this subnet first. So let me copy the name, and you can create subnet by going to networking and going to the virtual network. Okay, and if you see the subnets, I have only one subnet, but before I create the subnet, I would like to check the available IP address space. So I'll go to address space, and it seems all the address spaces are taken over by my default subnet. So let me just increase it. Okay, so it's increased. Let me go to subnets and let me click on subnet and give it the name should be same as your Bastion subnet. And yeah, that's perfect. So let me save it, though 27 CIDR would have been perfect, but that's fine. So it's created, and yeah, it's there. Now if I close this one, and if I go to Bastion, that you can come from operation Bastion, if you click on that, you see the error has gone, and then create a new public IP address, and then the same resource group. Let me click on create. The creation takes some time, 3 to 4 minutes, so just be patient, and once it is done, I'll be come back. Okay, so this is created now. If I go to operation Bastions, I can see the username and password. Now one thing to note, this is a public virtual machine. You can definitely connect to a public virtual machine using Bastion, but you also can connect to a private virtual machine. So I have a private virtual machine here. So if I go to here, this one is a private virtual machine. You see it doesn't have any public IP address. Here is the private IP. If I go to Bastion, okay, now you can check this to open in a new window, and you can put the username. Remember the username which you have created during creation of the virtual machine. If you have forgotten username or password, or if you have lost your SSH key, you can come down on the left hand side in the support plus troubleshooting section. You can reset the password and SSH key, everything. And yeah, let me type those. Okay, now click on connect. So this will open a new tab or new window. Allow it. So, and remember one thing, see, I got connected to the SSH and to the Linux machine. This is a private virtual machine, you see. So, and I can be able to do everything. Sometimes it happens, it opens if you have a pop-up blocker enabled, sometimes this window may be blocked, so just enable that. Yeah, so that was about how you can connect to a private virtual machine using Azure Bastion. Thank you for watching this.